Thank you. Everyone should be seated. Woke up. Warm up. Those who I had doing number one, work on number one on the board. Everyone else should be seated. 1, 2, and 3 on the board now. Everyone else is checking their work. Everyone else is checking their work. Let's go. You should be finished your warm up. And locker time is over. I can do that. Have a seat. Johnny, come in and have a seat. Excuse me. It is code yellow. Warm up out. And today, and from now on, I am walking around with my clipboard. I will not tell you if you have silent lunch. That list on the board is those in my last periods. You will not know till the end of the day if you have silent lunch. And if you have scholar dollars, I will be taking those as well. Number 3, who had number 1? Who did I ask to do number 1 on the board? Everyone else is checking their work. And by now, I should have everyone's homework. I don't see the marks.
You didn't finish your homework? You got them wrong. I put my name on it.
Jacilla, will you please move your class's helmet back 10 yards? Thank you. Here you go. Have a seat. Number 2. Who did I ask to do number 1? Have a seat.
I do that home.
Everyone should be seated, working on their warm-up. Will you walk us through number 1, please? And everyone else is checking their work if they did not get this answer. Camille, please walk us through number 1. Walk us through it, please.
Do you have all that too?
Yes. I'm sorry?
Do you have that?
Yes.
So first I had used applied knowledge to find out that 9 plus 6, plus 7 equals 16. And then so to find then I added that I added 0.9 plus 1.7 and I got 2.6, so I thought those things.
Okay. So how did you get to 0.9? How did you figure that out? What operation did you use to get to that? That I see a lot of you use to get to that. I see some other things because they work backwards. They use the inverse operation of addition, which is what, Johnny? Subtraction. This is an algebra problem. Right, we have an unknown plus 1.7 equals 2.6. She subtracted it, and that's what I saw you do in your notes. Yes, have a seat. Thank you, Camille. Number 2. I guess none of you had this, and I'll read it. Linda needs to arrange her stuffed animals in rows, which is not a way to arrange her stuffed animals. Now I'm going to do some cold calling, so you can put your hands down, and we will let the cards choose. Nelson. Nelson, number 2. What did you choose? D as in dog? Okay. Why did you choose D? Okay, 6 times 7 is what? 42. So this question is asking, Linda needs to arrange her stuffed animals in rows, which is not a way to arrange her 42 stuffed animals. So can you do 6 rows of 7? Okay. Alright, who can help him out? Yes. Okay, what is it? Why did you choose B?
Because 4 times 10 is 40.
4 times 10 equals 40. The answer is B. Yes, B as in boy. And number 3, Jeff. Go for it.
Three point 2 times 2.3. First use that multiply. 3 times 2 and it equals 6. 4 times 3 equals 9. Then we got decimal. And we multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. So then put the 6 in the 6 column. And add 96.6 feet. 9 and please. 9 6. 10. Yeah, 9 6 10. Plus 6, 64.
You're just adding. You're showing us.
64.
Don't confuse yourself.
And then it goes to 773. 736. Yeah. Figure out how many numbers are behind the decimal. And each of the numbers, there's only one. Then add 1 to 1 equals 2 to use 2 times. Then we use 7,600.
Yes, very nice. The only thing I see that in what you said that was incorrect, in this first piece where you said you have to bring down the decimal, which operations do we have to line up our decimals that is most important, Brianna?
Addition.
Addition and what else? Relin. Addition and subtraction is most important to line up our decimals. For multiplication, we count our decimals to find the number in the product, which is right there. Very nice. All right. On to our lesson from yesterday. Today, our agenda, warm up, our notes on dividing decimals using the standard algorithm, and then we have some group work. And the last piece is our homework, which you already should have written. Notebooks out. We are writing on the right side of our books. Notebooks out. On to the next clean sheet, white right side. Dividing multi-digit decimals. I know you guys already have seen this last year. All right, our learning target. Amber, read it for us. Everyone else is writing this at the top of their notebook. The learning target. Amber, read it for us.
I can fluently divide.
Just a second, Amber. Thank you. Go ahead.
I can fluently divide multi-digit decimals using the standard algorithm.
Exactly. Fluently. Who can remember what fluently means? Johnny, tell us.
Fluently.
Quick with ease, smooth, exactly. So we want you to be able to divide with ease. All right, and our standard. The standard for today, which is one we have been working on. Jalen, read it for us.
Fluently add, subtract, multiply, and divide multi-digit decimals using the standard algorithm for each operation.
Thank you. So we are working on the same standard that we have been since the beginning, and now we are focusing on dividing.
That
Parts of this problem. The green number. Keith, what is the green number? The name of that? Quotient. Very nice. And Camille, the red number. What is the name of that?
So,
Quickly, we gotta be able to,
Okay.
well, the dividend,
what is it?
the dividend,
The what?
What is it?
dividend.
Dividend. And Amber.
I said it.
Amber, yes, again, what is the divide, what's the blue number, sorry.
Oh.
I gave you a little hint there.
Wait.
What's the blue number? What's that called?
Question?
The blue, not quotient, we already have the quotient, was in the green. Calvaral Christian,
Divider.
what is it? Divisor. So Amber, what's the blue number?
Divider.
Divisor, alright, let's go on. We remember this from yesterday in our great rap. I'm not gonna have a wonderful rap for you today. I know mull on it from yesterday. Alright, this is what we are writing in our notes. Steps for dividing with decimals. Steps for dividing with decimals. Write these and we are going to talk about each step. Write these steps, 1 through 5 on the right hand side. Under our learning target, we are writing these lovely steps, numbers 1 through 5. Write them.
Question.
Yes, you can move up.
Yeah, move up.
Yeah. We're writing for today, numbers 1 through 5. And make sure to write the steps. And then we're going to solve them.
Christian. Copy.
I'll give you about a minute more. We're going to go through these, so we're going to go through it all step by step.